Hello and welcome back to a new video from WEBA. Today we are here again with iPhone 16e. I'm going to show you how to activate social media notifications on your smartwatch and iPhone. So notifications go directly to your smartwatch. This works for watches purchased in China, on Temu, or even in AliExpress. So without further ado, let's go directly to the video. First, you need to have your watch and your iPhone already paired. Without that, you will not be able to activate notifications. Also, if you like the custom watch faces you see here, you can watch the video that appears in the top right corner about how to configure custom wallpapers for your smartwatch using the iPhone application. Now back to the main topic, let's activate the notifications. Okay, so go to your iPhone and open the smartwatch application. Inside the app, look for the section that says social networks or something similar. It will explain this in general terms because your watch model may not be the same as mine. However, most smartwatches app works in very similar ways, whether you use Fit Pro or another application. If we look here, we will see a section called information. Inside the information, you will see a list of applications. Here you can see the list of apps available. These are the apps that we are going to configure. First, tap on notifications. You can activate all notifications, but I do not want that, so let's say I only want to activate SMS, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter. Only those, because I don't need anyone more, okay, anything else. Once you select them, the notifications are ready on your phone. Now let us do a quick test. Okay, so right now my phone is on do not disturb. I will turn that off, so you will see notifications start to appear. As you can see, notifications are coming in. If I tap here, I can see the first notification. If I clear them and someone sends another message, you will see a new notification appear. That is how you activate social media notification on your smartwatch. Every time you receive a SMS or a smartwatch message, an Instagram notification, or even Facebook, TikTok, or Twitter, the notification will appear on your watch. If you want another social media notification, go back into the app and activate the one that you want. There are no limits. You can choose what you want to receive, and it is very easy to do. It is not complicated at all. It is very similar to what we have shown before on Android phones. That it is the video for today. I hope you like it. I hope it helps you a lot. If it helped you, please give us a like and share this video, because that really helps us a lot to reach more people. Bye bye.